Do you know many people are having trouble with finding the sweet bread setting on their Breadman TR444? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare ingredients. Plug in your Breadman TR444, add ingredients to the bread pan, and close the lid. Step 2. Select cycle. Press the SELACT button to choose the fruit and nuts cycle, perfect for sweet bread. Step 3. Set loaf size. Choose your loaf size by pressing the CAPSITY/LOAF SIZE button. Step 4. Start baking. Press START to begin the process, which includes mixing, kneading, rising, and baking. Step 5. Add ingredients. Add any extra ingredients when the machine beeps at the end of the second kneading cycle. Step 6. Cool bread. Remove and cool the bread once the machine signals that baking is complete. By following these steps, you should be able to easily make sweet bread with your Breadman TR444. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Breadman users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.